Growing up in my household, for New Year's Eve, we would make a ton of appetizers, sit around the TV watching movies until midnight, and one of the appetizers that we would make was chicken wings. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook frozen chicken wings in the air fryer. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing we'll want to do is open up your air fryer, pull out the drawer, and then use some cooking spray and just spray the pan. Now we just have a big bag full of frozen chicken wings that we got from Costco, and you just of course want to open the bag up. So you can see they're all frozen, and since we already sprayed your pan, or my pan, you just want to take your frozen chicken wings and just place them in your air fryer. And you'll just want to make sure that you kind of space them out so they fit, but yet there is room for nice airflow around it, just like this. Alright, so we're going to put the pan in, and we want to cook it at 375, and we want to cook it for 15 minutes. Press start. Okay, so after 15 minutes, we'll open it up, and so you can kind of see what it looks like. And you'll want to turn them over. And then close it back up. And let's see, we want to make sure to keep it at 375. And we are actually going to cook it for 10 minutes this time. Press start. Okay, so now that they are done cooking after 10 minutes, you can see they're nice and golden brown. All right, so now we can just go ahead and take your wings and put them in a bowl. All right, so now you want to go ahead and toss them in some sauce. You can use whatever sauce you want. You can use a buffalo sauce, an Asian one, or in our case, we are using a barbecue sauce. So we are just gonna pour however much you want in here, and then just toss them in the sauce so it's evenly coated. All right, just like this. All right, so now I'm gonna take my wings, I'm gonna put them in the pan, back in the pan, spread them out, put the pan back in, and we wanna cook it for actually 385, and we wanna cook it for 5 minutes. Press start. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yes, very beautiful. And they are ready to eat. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season, and I hope you go and make these chicken wings. They're so easy to make, and they will be the perfect appetizer for New Year's Eve. Well, thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.